Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Verify your dreams in studying the Holy Quran. Innovative Quran Learning Management System is your best modern tool to study the Quran. It's composed of three elements. The first is a desktop software that helps you recite and memorize the Quran using our innovative tools. And in parallel, it helps you understand what you are studying by providing a real-time access to an associated Quranic library. In addition to that, there's a mobile applet that would help you study on the run, a web-based portal with its online registration and matching system that would match you to a suitable course and to a qualified teacher based on your learning needs and capabilities. Best designed for function. It helps you understand what you are studying. The graphical user interface is composed of three zones. The first is the Quran zone, which is the study target in the center. And it has its two facing pages of the Quran using off manuscript, and it always highlights a range of the Quranic verses being the focus of the study, and super highlights with a different color the ayah being recited, memorized, or studied. The left zone is the study activities zone. It helps you interact, memorize, and perform homeworks. So it has the recitation tools, the memorization tools, and the assignment and homework tools. On the right side, there is the library, the Quranic library. It helps you understand what you are studying by providing real-time view of all Quranic sciences related to each verse in focus being studied. It's highly customizable. If the student is a beginner, then it would contain the tafsir, which is the explanation, the word meanings, and the causes of revelation, in addition to translations to different languages, and tajweed rules. While if the student is an expert, then it could contain the mutashabihat, the difference between different qira'ats, balagha, and related fiqh, and the hadith related to the verse in focus. We have designed the application with several innovative tools that helps to teach the Quran, and those tools are designed in a unique way to empower the visual memory, allowing us to see both facing pages of the Quran simultaneously with the off manuscript. It also allows us to highlight the ayahs in focus and that particular verse that is currently being recited. A hide and show tool is a unique tool similar to what we used to do with our hands to cover some verses of the Quran and then only expose it after remembering it. But now we're going to do it with an electronic version. There are other tools specially designed to enhance the auditory memory, and the most important one is the listen and repeat tool, in which you can assign the application to recite certain verses of the Quran and repeat it several times and create a pause in between, allowing you to repeat those ayahs being recited in order to memorize them. Another group of very unique tools that helps to empower the interaction is ذَلِكَ بِأَنَّ اللَّهَ هُوَ الْحَقُّ
ذلك بأن الله هو الحق
ذَلِكَ بِأَنَّ اللَّهَ هُوَ الْحَقُّ. This tool is called Record and Compare tool. It allows the student to record his recitation. Then immediately it brings the perfect recitation of a professional muqri and allows you to compare it. And through this tool you can really improve your tajweed and tilawa subconsciously. Now, in addition to those tools are the tools that help us understand the Quran, such as the tafsir, the word's meaning, and those related to translation and others. The application has a unique feature that allows communication between teacher and student, even if they are not available synchronously around the net.
ومما رزقناهم الخطأ هو ترك خلقلة القاف أفمن كان مؤمنا الخطأ هو ترك إخفاء النون الساكنة عند الكاف.
So basically, the teacher would mark the mistakes on the pages of the Quran and send those mistakes to the student with the comments. So the student then will be able to view the mistakes location and then reads the teacher comments and listen to the corrected recitation. And now the student's job is to repeat his assignment after he has implemented the teacher's recommendations, resubmit it for re-evaluation by the teacher again. This application accordingly is extremely accessible and flexible. It allows you to study any time that suits you, and it allows you to study anywhere, wherever you are around the globe. It can work even if you are offline. However, the internet is required only to upload and download assignments for a short while. It can be used for studying recitation only, or it can be used for helping you to memorize and improve your recitation with it. And then you can use it either to study alone or to study under supervision of a teacher. We ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to guide us and you to study His book and memorize it, hoping that our tool would inshallah becomes a valuable asset in assisting you to do so. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.